woman power was on dazzling display at the parade. In a first, an all-women contingent of Assam Rifles led the way. Major Khushbu Kanwar was commanding this all-women contingent of the Assam Rifles in a historical first. The contingent is special as it includes wives of fallen Indian soldiers. These are women with children and family who've prepared hard for this iconic moment on the Rajpath today. And several other contingents of the Navy and Army were also part of this women contingent. And moving on, a spectacular display of India's military might, complete with a grand parade of the armed forces and a majestic flypast by the fighter jets of the Air Force, marked the 70th Republic Day celebrations at the Rajpath. The other highlights included artillery gun system M777, American ultralight howitzers, the main battle tank T-90 and the Made in India Akash weapon system.